wa wo kan asem we hwe me
a vice president of
Ema wakwaba eba Ghana nsem TV so ebusua mwenkuhwe video bi mbra na ekuhwe sa video ne ba ebeka ya adwen akire Ghana fo ebeka ya adwen akire Ama Pratt na nsem hu no tim vice president office no di no wo jai di busua mwenkuhwe video no emfa mbra.
The first time Ghana nye vice president Emra Masbury a ekoso ewo bogu till sakwanhie ne siye Emra Masbury akoso yente hwe
hwe anya wa wo kan asem we hwe me
a vice president office as a mother Sunday abotre nyabotre mami land wo ha
wo kono white ro
no nyabotre mami ama me bisa wasem say nanka bibi be say wo ho anase sinto biba senka bibi sabe ba fa tete o mo
fe se mo me number nanka bibi say si obi alert me abena ye ina ye bu man yo ena minya yanka maso wo bebia meni wo bebia nanso eni ne mewo aso mienu pe na mewo abena o dream say ye ma meti asem we ya ntinka by na nka ntinka won te nenka anyem o mi abena wo gidi wo akome musa wo mame ye maame ye nyina me no mienu ye maame atasem we ntinka on kasa inti time a wo de tie chanka wo twan se on kasa ntinka wo de prompt ya abena nkenye
and war me hold brief but me gidi said dey ba kwa me bisa we concern Kevin Taylor say wa beda mu fie vice president in the fie no tini ade say na dey what say
yes
so and I will be surprised so kasa kwansie ye si ya bo me nim radio station TV station kan ho asem
even radio mantie radio the whole day
even on social media since last week
oh sister menyesa
nti vice ante won so ante amona mane
ka show me ba unti wati no se on kasa
me de minim asem na me bisa
oh menyesa
my head ama me nim be talk as my menyesa
and make sure say that time now would it see na would it how would they train e dia aka asem unti no ka wo prompt yan ke be boy nyina eno ne ye friend resetting this country no say ye nyina yen kai se Ghana na ekoye ma ye nyina enkoye ma bi mo ye nyina na yetim ekoboni ma ye nyina ekopapa ma ye nyina ukakoto for let me say pepina na so NDC ni
nti said ye
price ba kuna ni na ba akoto nti no ye nyina ye fa some personal responsibility sa mine no o mine bu na ye bu no and na make what about you know connectedness and the feeling of owning or mine, which is why I started by saying, "No, who hear me saying bibia? See a bet, see say edia. I'm a mona ebunu, and ye be moody, and ye be mona ebu. We all have a responsibility to do it right and to get it right.
Yeah, bre, yeah, so. See, on that note, to say, "Yeah, me boss, I was a man, tia, ubi and so and draw more attention to it, no. Obekan, obe, funny say, anko ye ewa mosaidana."
Me find say anko ye wa your side.
Maybe sir.
Enye your side. Me mefa personal responsibility for it.
Saying.
Enye your mame and I be me na. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Me mefa personal responsibility for that. But like I'm saying, I am only a human being with 2 eyes and 2 ears. Minya ananka me was 6,000 years. Ananka region bia de ekoso bia masobeti. Meni behu. And so unfortunately, I am limited because of my humanity. Same ye human being in quiet.
The kind of people you are living in the country with. You see, Ama Pratt. Sometimes I don't blame these people. I blame the people for them to get all these positions. As secretary to the vice president, you are on a national TV. Air catcher say the vice president is not aware on the security issues in the country. He's not aware about anything happening in the country. Abla Ghana here will be himself. There was a car accident on the Kumasi Accra highway in Kola 15 I'm call in Shemoba. And you are saying that the vice president of the Republic of Ghana, the office is not aware that such incidents is here. You see, I always say sometimes young citizens near these people get the opportunity to talk to our anyhow. Because if not that, how can secretary to vice president of the country will come and tell you that she has no idea about what happened. And now she's telling the journalist on some or baby or prompting. Really? Then what's your work? More vice president office on what's your work? And you see how she's even speaking. She doesn't show any sign of concern because she doesn't respect anyone. And these are the people they are around all the offices. These are the people. And you expect the country to progress with this kind of people being around the offices are all minimum. I mean, if we have these people sitting in the offices and you expect this country to progress, then you are a joke. Honestly speaking, you are a joke. Because how can you tell me that someone like you don't have any information about what is happening? You see, I don't blame all these people. I blame we, the Ghanaians that voted for them to have this power. Yes, because that is why they are talking to us anyhow, treating us the way they want, because they don't care. Because they don't care. They don't care. And that's it.